In this demo, I would like to talk about the edit mode that you can turn on and off, as well as some other features, some navigation features that you might not figure out without a little instruction. We mentioned in the last video this little arrow here that can collapse down the menu bar on the left, the navigation bar, to give you more space for viewing your content or your grade book. Then we have the little right arrow that you can click to bring back this panel, this navigation panel. A few other things that I need to mention. Right now we're in the list view for our menu items, but we can change this to the folder view. And now we have a folder view where we can click the plus sign to expand these folders. In the information area, you can see the 4 different content items there. Under assignments, you can see the different content items under assignments. In fact, here's another folder, and we can open that up to see what is in that folder. So the folder view is very convenient if you want to get a map of your entire course. Let's switch it back to the list view. Now here's an interesting option. This displays the course menu in a window. Let's click on this and notice what we have here. We have a floating course menu panel, and this would be useful. Let's say you have collapsed your left panel down. You've hidden this course menu, and then, okay, where did it go? Okay, here it is. Then you have this floating menu that you can drag around if you still want access to it. Now I'm going to close this down, and then I'll go back to this little arrow to expand out this left panel and get it back to how we normally would want to view the site. Okay, let's go to the edit mode. Right now the edit mode is off, and we're in the student view. And if you want to do any editing or posting of assignments, this kind of a thing, you need to turn the edit mode on. And this is equivalent to, in the old Blackboard 8, going to the control panel and adding your content items. Well, actually, Blackboard 8 did have a similar button. I guess they called it Edit View and Display View that pretty much did the same thing as this Edit Mode button. The nice thing is when the edit mode is off, you're in the student view, and pretty much everything that all the different items that you look at, for example, essays for like a assignment submission, it looks exactly like what the students would see. To take a test, like test number 1, you go in there and it looks exactly like what the students would see. So it does give you a pretty true representation of the student view when the edit mode is off.